Balan is all joy and light, but today she's moving over to the dark side. And yes, to dark things and the dark side. Because on stage you said that you want to explore your dark side further, and I have to say we're all very excited about that. Yeah.
I'm just waiting for the right kind of scripts that allow me to really discover, explore, push the limits on that side.
Like you haven't done that enough.
No, but in terms of the exploring the dark side, I think I haven't done that enough.
Yes.
So I'd love to do that, and I'm hoping everyone, all the writers
Yes.
are listening.
It's been too long since we've seen you actually,
Right.
and you're looking lovely and radiant. We know that you're just back from shooting with the Big B himself. How was that experience?
Oh, that was wonderful. Actually, mine's a special appearance in Teen, and I don't share too many scenes with him, but it's always wonderful working with him. He's, we've been talking about inspiration so much today, and he just doesn't cease to inspire. Of course, I was back in Kolkata, where I love working, and wish to joy. So the madness was back.
The madness was back, and good stories seem to follow you around everywhere you go, whether it's on screen or whether it's in books today. I haven't read your book, but I'm assuming it's a good story.
Yes,
So
it definitely is.
Yeah. So obviously we are hearing stories about the Kahani sequel as well. Is there anything you want to share on that?
Kahani 2 is happening. We start shooting next month, and we're all gearing up for it. Preparations are on full swing at the moment.
Yeah. Okay. Vidya's like preparations are on full swing at the moment, and then,
Don't ask me this.
and then just silence. You're already doing your part in inspiring her to turn this into a film, and you're already doing the casting also. At least from what I could hear right at the back, it was like Hrithik would be good for this, and I would be good for that.
Because there's a character who's got jewel blue eyes, and he does have jewel blue eyes, so which is why I mentioned his name.
Yeah. So I hope Hrithik is at home also making notes about this. Lots of people getting
We really
lots.
hope so. We really hope so. Yes.
I'm sure you'll be getting a couple of calls in a few days' time.
As soon as I go home, I think.